Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TopStep X to TradingView in 2026. Now, before hopping into this video, there is one thing that you need to remember that in TradingView, you can only connect the brokers with it. You can't actually connect the pro firm accounts. So there is no one-click solution for you to connect the TopStep X account with your TradingView account. But the good news here is that you can definitely use it with the help of MT5 or C traders. For that, you need to come here on topstep.com. So when you are here, click on the option of login on the top right hand corner of the screen. When you get access to your TopStep dashboard by providing your login credentials here, you just have to look for the MT5 or the C trader credentials. So when you are able to get these, you just have to go to either MT5 or on C trader. So here click on the option of the web terminal. After that, simply provide the login credentials that you get from your TopStep account. After that, it is going to open the chart of TradingView in MT5 just like so. So you can open TradingView in one tab and then you can open your MT5 credentials in a new tab. So here you can use TradingView for analyzing your charts, and once you are basically ready for punching your order, you just have to come here in your MT5 or C trader account and then you can place your order. So this way you can use TopStep X and TradingView together. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.